Good morning, folks. Tony Martino here, the owner of Six Friends Cabernet, located at 5259 Broadway in Lancaster. I'm coming to you today because very, very excited. Even though we're closed today and closed tomorrow, this gives us time to get some maintenance stuff done. The parking lot is being sealed as we speak. It is looking great. Jeff and Sue and their team from Ace Sealing doing a fantastic job. It'll be striped tomorrow, so we're looking forward to that too. Nice, clean, crisp look to the grounds and to the building. We got some more stuff coming up here soon as well, with some additional landscaping coming out back, some more green space as well too. So very, very excited about what's going on. So that being said, last week I did a video, showcase some wines. I'm going to kind of bring out one or two of those same wines, but I want to. The reason we're doing it is because I want to definitely get those out more. It's summertime. The patio is beautiful. What a great time to sit there and just enjoy a great chilled glass of wine. I mean, chilled to perfection. So with that being said, here's what we have. So this week we have the 2019, my apologies, the Sangiovese from Barnstormer. As many of you know, Barnstormer is my favorite winery, just because Scott and I are really good friends too, and him and his team put out a beautiful, delicious wine every time. So we got that one. We also have Keuka Springs. This one's a 2019 dry rosé. I mentioned this one last week. Very excited about this one too. It's definitely crisp. It's delicious. You get some floral tones to this, floral notes to it. Absolutely delicious wine. So we're looking forward to having you try this one as well. And I'll probably even come around with a glass or two and have you sample it, see what you think. Also too, Beth and her team over at Liberty Wineries, we're showcasing this one here. This is the 2019 Pinot Grigio. Absolutely, hands down, probably one of the best Pinot Grigios I've had in a long time. I'm pretty much a dry red guy, but I'm telling you right now, Pinot Grigio from Liberty, absolutely delicious. Another one is chilled to perfection. Beth and her team, fantastic, hands down. So that being said, I'm going to be coming around to the tables as I normally do. We're going to start talking a little bit more about wines and looking for some recommendations as well. Our wine library continuously grows on a regular basis. We do have, obviously our New York focus is where we're at, but we also have been kind of building and focusing some more on some international and domestic wines as well, for those palates, those discerning palates that are really, that's what they prefer. So we have that between a Cabernet Sauvignon and a Sauvignon Blanc from New Zealand. Those kind of wines definitely we have available as well. So these ones here too, the Pinot Grigios, the ones I just introduced you, those are available on the wine tasting menu as well, and you can get them by the glass or by the bottle. So, wow, okay, Paris on the Patio. There's still some seats available. Reservations are filling up fast. I definitely would, if you're interested, please, give us a call at 716-393-3904. That's the restaurant number. Give us a call, make your reservation today. The menu is going to be coming out this week, so you'll be able to see what you got. It's all French themed, from French music to French cuisine, to some French wines, along with coffees and some teas. So very excited about it. Please, definitely, if you're interested, get a hold of us. The other thing too is that we do banquets and catering. So if you have any events that are coming up, even not to bring Christmas that quick over, but Christmas time, you have Christmas parties and that'd be a great time to start booking your party now. We do have the facility available. So give us a call on that. Again, 716-393-3904. We'll definitely find a way to accommodate you. Also, too, just a COVID update as well. Our guests have been fantastic with wearing their masks while they're in the building, anytime they get up to use the restroom and so on and so forth. We ask that you please continue that. If you do have a reservation, you show up and you forget your mask, it is no worries. We have brand new masks here for you. We just ask that, just wait till our hostess can grab a mask for you, and then we'll bring you in the building and have you all set. So we're very excited about the safety that we provide for our guests and for our staff. All our safety policies are located on our website at www.sixfriendscabernet.com. If you click in the upper right-hand corner, it says COVID safety. You'll see all our safety, food safety procedures and everything else, and all the COVID updates. So folks, on that note, thank you so much. Have a great and amazing, blessed day. It is beautiful. Stay safe. We love you. God bless.